Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's unboxing, unpackaging if you will, is it's actually my jewelry subscription. I had two, and I finally made the decision that could I deal with just having one, and I said yeah, and I made a decision which one I wanted to let go, and it was not this one. This is the one I felt like I needed to keep. I really enjoyed it. So if you stay tuned, stick around, let's get into it. Now, if you are new to my channel or just clicking on this video and you're like, who's the girl with the skulls on her head? Hi, my name is Gina. Welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe. Join my family. All my subscribers are super sweet. We don't do drama here. There's enough of that on YouTube. I don't need it on my channel. And all of my subscribers agree. And we all act as a family, support each other. And so if that's the place you want to be, please stick around and subscribe. If everybody could please smash the like button, it would truly help me, and it helps YouTube and the algorithms and all that great stuff. Also, commenting also helps us YouTubers. So if you could give us comments, let us know how we're doing, let us know what you think of the boxes, or just want to say hi, please do that too. Yes, my skull keeps turning around. It's not on backwards, but he's living his best life. So today's subscription, I'm gonna show you everything that's in it. If you're interested in it, I will, if you go to the description box below, I will link everything about them. I will tell you how much it costs to sign up, and I will also give you their link if you want to sign up to make it easy for you. Okay, so this is what it says. It says you're present. Again, this is a jewelry subscription, and it is called luxorluv. Let's see what we got. One of my favorite things about this subscription is the detail. They always package really nicely. So I got a card. This actually might be a sticker, I can't tell. No, I think it's a card. It says, thank you for the love, luxorluv. Use this code to receive 50% off in the boutique store. So they do sell stuff and have a store on their website. And then I open it up, and then every item that they give you is individually wrapped, and I like that as well. So on my channel, I like to do giveaways. So sometimes I'll gift stuff like this to my subscribers because I like to share. Because you guys sit here and watch me do unboxings. I don't think it's fair to be like, oh, this is what I got. Thanks for watching. I like to turn around and be like, okay, here, let me share some of the wealth. Let me share some of the good things with you guys. And that's my way of showing appreciation for taking the time to watch me and spend time with me. And anyway, so let's see what we got. So here's the first little cute silver box. And this one I have no idea what I'm getting. I just know it's going to be jewelry and some accessories because that's what they give you every month. But I have seen no teasers. Try not to knot up this necklace, which I failed at. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's really pretty. Tell me guys what you think of this in the comments below. See this necklace with this really pretty jewel? That is definitely something I would wear. It's gorgeous. They have it to where you can size it, which I really appreciate that because I got a fat neck. Everybody has different size necks, and I like that these subscription boxes think about things like that. But that is really pretty. It's just simple and elegant. So not bad for item number one. Did I mention this subscription is not expensive at all? At all. But again, if you're interested, just go to my description box below. Everything is there and will be in detail for you to check out. Here's the next silver box. I see more shiny things. What are you? Ooh. These are earrings. How cute. These are earrings, guys. To match that necklace, that's freaking stunning. And that's me all day long. I love dangly or long earrings. That'll go perfect with that necklace. Ugh. Ugh. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited for that. That's why I kept this subscription. The other one was good, but I was like, one of them, I got to make a decision because of finances. I'm like, one of them's got to go. And this one just, to me, hands down, kept beating the other one. No shade, no shade. Just, it did. I think I still have another box coming from the other one, so y'all can still check it out. But this one, I just like the jewelry better. It's more me. Oh my God, these are cute. Oh, they're even cuter than I thought. Look at these earrings. So like they have the dangly and it's like green and white. And then you see the stinking bird. How cute is that? Guys. I love this subscription. Okay, so that's the first three things. If y'all haven't clicked on the description yet, y'all are tripping. I love this box. I'm going to just keep saying that, I think, every item. There's got to be something in here I don't like. It's got to be. Everything can't be perfect, right? Not everything. Oh my God, I see more bling. Just peek in there. Do y'all see the bling? Do you see the bling? I don't know if it's blinging. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what it is, but it was blinging. Oh, look at this bracelet. This is rose gold. That is stunning. Okay, October, luxorluv. I think that's my favorite month. That's cute. It'll go cute with my little shirt. I love it. Okay. And then I get all these little baggies that I can keep for giveaways too, and I always like that. Recycle. I try to recycle my products. Things I get. Oh my God, this is so cute. Cute, cute. You see this bracelet? It's like, let me see. Almost like a, I don't know if y'all can tell this color. Does that help? See, it's like a jade color and then this pretty blue. See how they go next to each other? And then you've got this pretty blue heart in the center. So this is another bracelet. That's gorgeous. Again, this subscription is not expensive, guys. And it's in the description below. Okay, and this is the last item. So this has to be the item I probably won't like. Has to be, because everything else was phenomenal. Usually they give you accessories, so I'm like, I haven't got an accessory yet, so maybe this is it. Let's see. Oh my God, how cute! They gave me not one, but two. How cute are these? I'm trying to get them all where I can hold them up. Okay, I literally got 6 rings. Okay, so here's, let me hold them up. Hold on, guys. Let me get it together for y'all. Okay. So I've got these 3 rings, right? That are elephant. Gorgeous. Okay. 3 of them. So I guess if I want to share with somebody, whatever I want to do. Okay, and they have the sizers. All 3 of them do. So no matter what ring size you have. Oh, I just noticed this one over here is different. This one has a heart. I don't know if y'all can tell. He has a heart on his head. These 2 I think are the same. That's freaking cute. I mean, this one's dark. Anyway, you get the point. They're cute. And then these are the other 3. And I think you're just supposed to mix and match and put them where you want. So, these are the other 3. So this one has like the moon. This one is an arrow wrapped around your finger. And then this one is crisscrossing arrows. That is an amazing box. I love it. I'm so glad I picked to keep this one and not the other one. This one never has failed me. The other one just kind of, it doesn't fail me. It's just kind of boring to me. It's getting boring. So anyways, let me know in the comments below, what do you think of luxorluv? I think it's amazing. I'm definitely keeping it. They have so many cute things in there. Okay, so again, if you're interested in signing up, I will leave their link in the description below and also their prices. So if you're interested in signing up, go there now. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!